I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins with the Morning Market Minute for Wednesday, October 8th. Soybeans and corn are both up modestly in overnight business, seeing some short covering support while continuing to keep an eye on U.S. harvest activity. We don't have harvest numbers right now because of the current ongoing shutdown of the U.S. federal government, but we do expect that many producers made some pretty decent progress over the past week in many key U.S. growing areas despite some rainfall. And forecasts over the next couple of weeks or so are generally warmer and drier for much of the region. That should help with activity. As far as some fresh fundamental news, the U.S. Energy Information Administration is still scheduled to put out their weekly ethanol production, stocks, and export numbers later today. Past that, we're not getting a USDA supply, demand, and production report on Thursday because of the government shutdown. No export sales report either. Wheat is mixed, mostly firm. Chicago and Kansas City continue to monitor the U.S. winter wheat harvest. But at this point, the big bearish factor continues to be the rising global supply, and that's going to continue to keep a cap on things. As for the livestock side of things, once trade resumes, live and feeder cattle futures will be waiting for this week's direct cash cattle business to get a little bit better defined. Asking prices and bids have been pretty hard to come by so far, but packer inquiries should start to improve. As for hogs, they will continue to monitor demand. The pork carcass cutout value has been all over the place lately, closing lower on Tuesday after a higher open. And there are a lot of questions about sustained export demand as well. But again, not getting a lot of answers on that front because of the government shutdown. With the Morning Market Minute for Wednesday, October 8th, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.